a square plus b square into x square plus 2 into ac plus bd into x plus c square plus d square equal to 0. It's a quadratic equation. If AD is not equal to BC, prove that it has no real roots. So it comes under the nature of roots. So we should find the discriminant, that is capital B square minus 4 capital AC. I have taken capital to make some difference. This is capital A, capital B and capital C. B square in the sense this square. So it will be 4 into AC plus BD whole square minus 4. A is A square plus B square and C is C square plus D square. Let's consider this. I can take 4 common. Now this one, if you expand, you'll get A square C square plus B square D square plus 2A BCD. This is A plus B whole square formula minus, I opened a bracket, I multiply here A square C square, A square D square, slowly, B square C square and B square D square. Now the 4 will be multiplied with A square C square cancel, B square D square somewhere here cancel. So we get only 2A BCD minus A square D square minus B square C square. Now when you take a minus common, minus outside, minus 4 into, I get AD whole square, let me take this one, plus BC whole square minus 2A BCD, which you can write it as minus 4 into AD minus BC whole square, as AD not equal to BC. If it becomes equal, it will become 0. As AD not equal to BC, the square of something is always positive and there is a negative outside, the delta should be less than 0. That means roots are not real. Remember, delta is having a negative sign. It is having minus 4 here. Minus sign is left, so delta less than 0. Discriminant less than 0. So roots are not real. Now I go to the question number 12, which is an arithmetic progression. A1 means not the first term, that is A equal to 5. L is the last term, that is A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to 45. But here n is not known, Sn is there. Do you have a Sn formula and L is equal to 45? That is also you can write. Sn formula, n by 2 into A plus L is equal to 400. That is n upon 2, 5 plus 45 equal to 400. That is, this is 50. N upon 2, 50 equal to 400. 1 0 cancel, 5 1s are 5, 8. So n is equal to 2 going here, it becomes 16. Now when I got n equal to 16, I can put here in the L formula, that is A 5 plus 16 minus 1, that is 15, D equal to 45, and 15D will become 45 minus 5, that is 40. The D become 40 upon 15, 5 table 3 times, 5 table 8 times, D equal to 8 by 3. Now this question number 13. Straight line at a distance 4 meter and 16 meter from the foot of a tower. There is a tower, a straight line. There is a point P at 4 meter distance from foot of tower and a point Q at a 16 meter distance from foot of a tower. Some students will write this distance is 16, that is a blunder mistake. From the foot only it is given clearly 16 meter distance. Now if they make angle complementary, that means if someone is theta, the other should be 90 minus theta, then I have to find the height. So we have a two triangles, triangle QAB and triangle PAB. First one, I have a tan 90 minus theta, that is a h upon 16. The other one, I have a tan theta, that is h upon 4, perpendicular by base or opposite by adjacent. Tan 90 minus theta, we know the complementary angle, it is cot theta is equal to h upon 16. What we have a tan theta we given as h upon 4. Cot theta can be written a reciprocal of tan, that is 1 by tan theta equal to h upon 16, that is 1 upon tan. You can put the tan theta value over here, you will be getting 4 upon h equal to h upon 16, a cross multiplication, h square equal to 64 and h equal to 8 meter. Sometimes you may get a question as 9 and 4, so that will be 36 and h equal to 6. So here there is a bag contain 15 white balls, 15 white and some black balls and x black balls. So total n of s should be 15 plus x. Now probability of black is thrice, means 3 times the probability of white. Black are how many? X upon 15 plus x is equal to 3 times the y, that is 15 by 15 plus x. I hope I can cancel the 15 plus x, and then x equal to 45. So number of black 45. It's a so simple one. Understand the question, we can do the problem easily. Now next one, R is dividing P and Q in a ratio. We don't know the ratio, but we know the points at P and Q, that is 2 comma minus 2, and the other is a 3 comma 7. R is dividing, that is 24 by 11 comma y in a ratio k:1. Now this type of segment formula, I can use a crisscross rule in a shortest way, that is 24 by 11 comma y should be equal to k plus 1 down and k plus 1 down. So remember this m1 x2 plus m2 x1, k plus 1 I have written down the total parts. The cross multiplication, I will be getting 3k plus 2, and the next one 7k minus 2. I come again, 7k minus 2, 3k plus 2. If I want to find the value of k, I have to equal the first one. 24 by 11 is equal to 3k plus 2 by k plus 1. That is cross multiplication, 24k plus 24. Then you have 33k plus 22. Now 24 minus 22, that is 2, is equal to 33 here and 24 going there, 6 and 3 9, 9k. So that is 2 by 9 is k. So ratio is 2:9. I should find the value of y. So y value will become equal to 7k minus 2 by k plus 1. That is 2 by 9 putting there will become 14 by 9 minus 2 by 9 plus 1. 9 would be the LCM, but here 14 minus 9 2 is 18, 9 gets cancelled, okay, and 2 plus 9, so the y value will become minus 4 by 11. It's done. Now okay, that's all for today. Remaining 15 questions we will see tomorrow. I will end up this 2017 papers by tomorrow.